Hello everyone. Let's practice some more problems involving negative exponents. Now let's look at this one. 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. So how do we go about this? First look at 8. 8 can be written as a product of 2 times 2 times 2, right? So that is 8. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 and the whole thing is raised to the power minus 1, right? Times 5 to the power 3 by the denominator also has a negative exponent. Now first let us try to simplify this one. 3 and minus 1. 2 is raised to both 2 cube. The whole thing is raised to the power minus 1. So it can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by minus 1, right? Now recalling the power of a power rule, a power m, the whole raised to the power n is equal to a to the power mn, right? So this is equal to 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. So what is this? We have two negative exponents now. We can make it into positive exponents just by using what does a to the power minus n stand for? It is 1 by a raised to the power n, right? So this step itself we can make it a positive exponent. How? By bringing this 2 to the power minus 3 to the denominator and 2 to the power minus 4 to the numerator. So what happens? This negative becomes positive exponent, 2 raised to the power 4 by writing its reciprocal into 5 cube by 2 to the power 3. So this is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus 3. The quotient rule, right? The base is the same 2. So the powers are subtracted, multiplied by 5 cube, which is 2 times 5 raised to the power 3, because this is just 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And what is 5 raised to the power 3? It is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 25 into 5, 125. So 2 into 125. So this exponent, this problem which is given to us is simplified to 250. This whole thing is equal to 250. Now, instead of just making this step, instead of bringing 2 to the power minus 3 to the denominator or writing 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3, this is what we used right here. So instead of that, you can also write it as just this step. Let me not mention this step at all, so it might confuse you. Right. So from here you can just write since 2 and 2 the bases are the same, this can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 3 minus of minus 4, right, into 5 cube, which is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 3 plus 4 into 5 power 3, which is 2 to the power 1 minus 3 plus 4 is 1 into 5 cube, and at the same answer as before. We have done this just now. 2 into 125, which is 250. I've just given you two ways of doing it. You might choose the easier one, whichever is easy for you, and I hope you followed. Thank you.